students. Today we are going to study about the topic changes around us. Last class we discussed about the half portion of the topic, right? Today we are going to discuss about the remaining half portion of the topic. Okay, shall we enter into the topic? Okay. Last class we discussed about changes, what is meant by changes, how we are performing changes, and how we can reverse the changes and how we cannot reverse the changes. Okay, last we discussed about these, right? Now we are going to study about expansion and contraction. You know about expansion and you know about contraction, right? When an object is heated, it increases in size and this is called what? Expansion. For example, if you are heating a plastic means it is expanded and it is flexible, right? So, and an object is heated, it increases in size and this is called what? Expansion. Then the decreases in size of an object on cooling is called what? Contraction. Okay. The decreases in size of an object on cooling is called what? Contraction. On heating is called what? Expansion. Okay. Then expansion occurs on heating, whereas contraction occurs on cooling. Okay. Expansion occurs on heating, contraction occurs on cooling. Okay. Here there is an example. Soil digging tools. We know that these tools, right? Soil digging tools. First one is handle. The second one is iron blade. Okay, they are using handle and as well as iron blade. How iron blade is fixed with the wooden handle? By using expansion and contraction we study. Okay, we are going to study. Ring present on a iron blade is made slightly smaller in size than wooden handle. Okay, the ring present on an iron blade is slightly smaller than the wooden handle. Okay, to fix the handle, iron ring is heated. Okay, to fix the handle, what they are doing? Heating the ring. Okay, on heating the ring expands. Okay, now handle fix easily into the ring. When the ring cools down, it contracts and fix slightly on the handle. Okay, while heating it is expanded, then we fix the handle in it. Then if you cool down means it is tightly fix the handle. Okay, these are about the fixing of wooden handle. Okay, these are example of expansion and contraction. Okay, here there is another example also. Fixing metal rim on a wooden wheel. Okay, how they are fixing the metal rim on a wooden wheel. Okay, it is wooden wheel, there is metal ring. Okay, metal rim is made slightly smaller than wooden wheel. Okay, while heating the rim expands and easily fit into the wheel. Okay, then we pour what? Cold water over rim, due to which rim contract. Rim then fit tightly on wheel. Okay, while heating the metal rim is expand, then we fix the metal rim into the what? Wooden wheel. Then we are pouring what? Cold water. The metal rim is contract and it fits tightly on the wheel. Okay, this is a second example of expansion and contraction. Okay, then the next topic is we can bring changes in a substance by what? Applying the force. We are applying the force, there is some changes occur. Then heating. By heating, there is a changes. If we are heating, the substance is expanding, some substances are melting and it changes to gas. While heating the water, more we are heating means the water are evaporated by gas, right? The water is changed into gas stage. Likewise, if you place a ice cube under the sunlight means it melts into water. These are the changes. We are applying the force by heating, then mixing it with some other substances. While mixing the sugar with the water means it is changes to water. If you see the water means it is stable, right? But it is a sugar water. We are dissolving the sugar with the water. Okay, these also the examples of what? Changes in the substance. Okay, then applying the pressure. We are applying the pressure, we are applying the force, we are heating the substance, and we are dissolving, or we are mixing some substance to other substance. Okay, these are about today's topic. Okay, thank you. Dear children, do this activity. Okay, find out the answers and write in your textbook. Okay, page number 48. Find out these answers and write neatly in your textbook. Okay, then send a snap to me. Okay, to my personal number. Okay, ma, read the question and write the answer. If the answer is yes, you write there yes. If there is no, the answer is write there no. Okay, ma, and take a snap and send it to me. Okay, thank you.